M0FXB, welcome to my channel FTM300. So to prepare your SD card, firstly put it in your PC and format it. Then put it in the radio and it should detect an SD card. Once it does that, the SD card here, then you want to hold down the F and turn to highlight SD card. You can turn it with the knob like so, push it. Then the first thing you want to do is format it. So when you push format, you'll go left and you'll click OK, and when this completes it will say completed. Okay, I've already done it, I'm not going to do it again, so go back. Then you want, what I always do is just go to backup and then click right to SD card and click all, okay, and it will complete again, say completed on the screen. Then backup. Now then carefully take out the SD card from your radio, and remember it faces this way with the FTM300, with the front, the gold bits at the back. Okay, and now put this into an adapter in your PC. So plug it in your PC, and then you're going to need to download the software, which is on the Yaesu site here. Go to Files at the bottom there, and it's called ADMS12. There you go, and then you get a zip like this, and we're going to run the zip. Now, I also use RT systems, but today it's ADMS12. Double click, and let's run the XE, a nice simple XE on the FTM300. We'll fire up the software, double click it, there's our window there, and then it's really simple now. Just go communication, get data from SD card, select all, then go down to your USB drive which you've plugged in the PC, double click FTM300, double click backup log, there's the file that you saved, double click it, and there you are. Job done. And now you can just make changes. Now there's quite an extensive selection here, but look, PMS, VFO A, VFO B, Home A, Home B, and you've got the whole settings menu as well. Settings. And look at that. And this is free. And you've got common, and this is, you know, go through. There's lots of different settings to look at. Even DTMF memories. Scan, display settings, you know, same as the menus that are in the radio. Group mode, wires X, all your APRS settings. It's all here. Look, the modem's off at the moment. There's my call sign. Previous message, you can type a message here. You know, you can just go like M0FXB. Andreas, how are you? You know, it's a lot easier typing. Make any changes you want. APRS beacon settings. Close that down. I mean, the main one we're going to use is our memories, isn't it? These are all our memories. If you want to add a memory, double click a channel. Type in the frequency, so 433.300. It will remember the shift in some cases. You can select the offset, FM, AMS. I'm pretty sure I noticed that if you select FM, but when you put it on the radio, it's a digital channel, that the radio just put it in AMS mode, automatic select mode, and it will do that for you. And that's it. And then when you finish, you just go get data, sorry, communications, send data to SD card. And you click save. Yeah, we're going to save it in the same place. SD card write completion. So it's put those changes in. Let's have a look at some other things there that you would do just quickly before we end the video. So file, you can export files. Let's export something. Export. We'll call it a different name because we don't want to lose what we've got. We'll send it to the same, let's send it somewhere different. Desktop. FTM300, and we'll just go save. So you can export, you can import things. I haven't tried repeater book. I think that's for a completely separate video, but you've heard of repeater book where you can import a file with all the repeaters on it. Edit, you can insert channel. So you sort of jump in the middle of a channel. Delete channel, clear channels, move them up and down. See that? I think you can copy and paste a lot of this stuff as well. Look, you can copy and paste. You could probably do that from repeater book. Settings, Windows, tile up down, and the version. That's the version that we've got. And that's it. Then we'll put it back in the radio. I'll show you that at the end, where you just put the SD card in the radio and then just write SD card. Actually, I don't need to show you it because we did it at the very beginning. At the beginning, you saw us write to SD card. And that's it. So thanks for watching my channel, 7.3, all the best. Do now is hold down the F menu because you've got the SD card back in. Select SD card, go back up, but this time select read from SD card. Click all, turn to the left, and then just push, and it's now reading. It's a bit bright, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.